We are. And so for the longest time, since I started this stream, I was talking to myself. Yay! No, but at the beginning I was saying I fixed the audio issues, and I ended up freaking reversing the dang ports like an idiot. So while I did fix the audio issues, I introduced others. Rip. Uh, since we can only no. Wait a minute. Why do we even need a party switch? We don't. Why was I even making that last night? What? Man, that goes to show you, dude. When you're dead tired or burned out, don't try to force yourself because it never goes well. Okay, so let me find out like what layer the sprites are on. Oh, never mind. We don't need to do it that way. We can do it. Okay, I am gonna keep the C map update though. Not here. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and actually do this now. We're gonna do the test battle. Alright, so I'm gonna fade out the screen real quick, and then I'm going to turn the player transparent. And fade in the screen. Okay, so I need to find out I need to look at the game map that event is running code and see what gets triggered. Golly, I was really out of it last night, I think, wasn't I? That's a little unnerving, actually. Oops. Oh no. Ah, so it just, yeah, but was it return though? So... Oh no. I need to trigger the event flag manually. Oops. Dagnabbit. Okay, well, fine. What the type of manually? Game map dot interpreter dot is running. Return. No, not this. This. Ah, whatever. All right, we'll do this a little bit differently. Okay. So how we're gonna do this is gonna be a little bit interesting. We're gonna so the res cut also determines the zoom in effect. So what we need to do is okay, we'll do this. Map.is battling equals true. And then we'll do an end battle thing. And then it goes false. Now we'll do this. We'll do if game map.is battling. Then we're going to be able to draw all the different sprites in the locations. It's going to be done in the form of battlers, perhaps, or maybe even like full body. I don't know how we want to do this though. Like maybe full body like that, just like scaled down to like a certain width and height. That'd be kind of cool, right? Yeah, because we could set battlers and stuff. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. We can do it that way. Oh, if there's anyone here yet, check this out. I discovered this is a thing. You can now preview, and it'll show you like where the. I forgot about this. I forgot to show this off in the review. This is super cool, man. I discovered that you can. Well, it's not that I didn't. It's not that I forgot to show it off. I guess I just didn't know. But I could have sworn I've seen this somewhere though. Maybe RPG Maker Fez was the one that had this. I don't know, but it's like really cool. It'll show you exactly like where they go. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, so we're gonna have a spawner. It's just gonna be called spawner. Also, I'm gonna have we're gonna do the battling a little bit different. Yeah, that's how we'll do this. Okay, cool. So, oh, this is gonna make things easier as well. You'll see. So the spawner should be what, blue? Hold on, let's have it be the same thing as this. Yeah, we'll have it be this one. So give this a spawner flag, and yeah, we'll give it a blue one. Should we go to blue? No, we'll do purple. Yeah, this should automatically be all flickery and cool and whatnot. Let's see how it looks though. I don't want it to look too bad. I don't think it will though. Yeah, it looks good. I like that little thing as a spawner. It's kind of awesome. Alright, so the wilderness, we're gonna organize these. Battle maps. Wilderness. And we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna do I was already planning that apparently. Okay, so yeah, we don't need these plugin commands at the moment. But I'm still going to keep them there just in case we do decide to use them actually. Alright. If data map.meta is battle map, define data map. Okay. So, yeah, I just want to make sure it's on ultra low latency as well this time. Cool. Also, we got 5 viewers. Hello, everyone. So yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hide the players. We already did that part. So now we're gonna. Okay. All right, here we go. We're gonna create this dot battle cam x0 y0. Okay, I need to organize this though. This dot set battle camera. Cube, what up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream, bud. Hope you enjoy your stay. Let's see. I'm gonna organize this. So scene map.proto man proto man dot create battle windows equals function. Okay, now this is a little bit more organized, and it should be easier to edit this way. Now the set battle camera. We need to give it an X and Y, and I guess we need to do a move, right? No, we can do that through like another. Yeah, I guess it would be a little more convenient. This dot battle cam dot move equals function. This dot battle cam. Wait. This would automatically be. Yeah, no. Okay. Dot x equals. Wait, plus equals x. And then y plus equals y. I hope it's like this. To the person who is changing it with me, have a nice metal. I don't know what that means. Oh, have a nice day, mate. Oh. Never mind, I misread that. Thank you. You also have a nice day. I got full on dyslexic there. I was like, what? What? Okay, well, yeah, that's all we need, right? Yeah. Now we need to do if game map is battling. We'll try this. We'll do game map dot x equals this dot battle km dot x. Game map dot y is equal to y. And then this dot battle cam dot move 1 0. So it should like pan the camera unrealistically fast. Well, we didn't compile it, did we? X of undefined. Have to look at why it's doing that. Also, let me make sure the audio is good because X of undefined sounds good. Look at why it's doing. I need to hear the. Also, let me make sure the audio is good because X of undefined. Okay, testing with music and all that blah blah blah. Okay, testing with music. What even was that? What? Well, okay then. That was certainly interesting. That was a thing that happened. I think that was the issue there. Since we function does carry over this, but yeah, it's been a while since I used objects that way. That's not working. Why is it not working? Oh. Derp. Wait a minute, is it display X? Hold on now. I mean, let me see. It should be game map at display X, right? Yeah. Huh. See, now this is interesting. I just discovered something. Very interesting. A map not display X equals math, not round. A map dot display X. And do the same thing with Y. This could help my resolution issues. Okay, so what's going on here? We need to first multiply by 48 and then round it and then divide it again. So what we're gonna do is, oh no. Since we're not making this public, I can just do the direct 48 because I don't plan on changing my tile sizes. But normally you would not do this, just saying. You would actually use like game map, and I might still use the other method just because it's better and safer and it's better practice. So yeah, we'll do that. What was it though? Was it game map dot tile width? Yeah. Game map dot tile height. Tile Hyman maneuver. Stop. Doesn't make no sense. This isn't Batman. What? Okay, I don't think I gave it time to compile. Or did I even compile to begin with? What's the value becoming? F12 or F8, it doesn't matter. Gotta turn my light on though. It's dark AF. Okay. Ah, there we go. Oh! If we round it too hard, it's just going to snap into the 48 by 48 grid. That's why I wanted to multiply it first and see if this does fix it. Nope. See, let me show you what I mean by... Oh, wait a minute. Times 48 divided by 48. Let's just try this real quick, and I'll switch it back over to the tile width and height thing after. What I need to do is get it to round to the nearest, based on a different math target. So it can't be nearest 1, because 1 would technically be 48. So we need to cut the 48 in half, so it's nearest by 24, and then therefore, if correct, the value should always be, yeah, well right now it's always a 0.16, right? Okay, well, we can do this. What we can do... okay, I just want to see what it looks like when we round it. Like, it's going to be a snappy grid thing, but I'm very curious to see how it looks. Oh, I'm an idiot! Oh, I'm an idiot! No! No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I thought I was doing it all in the battle map thing. See, the problem is, it's already rounding based on the whole solid numbers, but then when we redivide it, obviously it's not going to do any difference, so... I might have to do some critical thinking here. I was wanting to avoid that because my brain hurts, but... Oops. Oh no. That just locks the camera. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do then, we're gonna have to do .2 fixed 2. We might be able to use some magic here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we might have to do some critical thinking. Dang it! But you guys don't want to see no critical thinking. X.2 fix is not a function. But isn't that a number? Hold on. How does the 2 fix thing work again? Yeah. How is it not a function? Good afternoon! Hello, Anthony! Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Huh. Alright, well, the only other option that I can think of at the moment is to do it this way. Kind of like what I was doing here already. But divided by 24 times 24. And then that should just snap it as a half value of what it was before. It might really cause some mad jank to go on though. Yeah, without critical thinking, I don't think we're gonna solve this issue. But again, you guys do not want to see that. That's some boring stuff, seriously. I don't know though. I mean, no one's really here right now, so yeah, we can do some critical thinking. Why not? So Anthony, be prepared. We're gonna do some critical thinking. Yay! All right, so now, well, okay, let's take our values. Okay, the x and y is already based on a. So let's say width is equal to 48, height is equal to 48. That's the grid size. So 1 would be 48, 2 would be 96, blah blah blah. So in order to get the nearest number, we could do it in like a really ghetto way, actually. Yeah, you know, before we do any critical thinking, let's try that. Let's try the ghetto way and see if it works. No, I'm not. I refuse to do ghetto. I am not gonna write some trash code. All right, so would this even fix the issue though? Yes. And no. Okay, so hold on, let's do this. We'll do, what's the default of 48 divided by 2? Because 2 is obviously 24. So why is it ending up a large number? Is it because of centering? Yeah, the centering around the sprite. So technically, it wouldn't be 48 divided by 2. It'd be, because of the spriting, be somewhere around 48 divided by like 3.5. 0.34. That's not it either. Okay, yeah, so it was what, 48 divided by 2.6, right? It's not even that. So, oh, never mind. Yeah. Okay, so it'd be 48 divided by 2.5 plus 3.1415 divided by 5. Nope, divided by 6. So can I like copy what I just did? Dang nabbit. Alright, so 48 divided by the result of, dang nabbit, dude. Okay, 48 divided by 2.5 plus pi. What? Oh, you can just type pi. Oh, nice. That's really good. Thanks for knowing. Okay, I'm so used to just typing pi. Hello there, little Neko. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. We're doing some like incredibly jank critical thinking right now. Watching smart people's thinking about process is so mesmerizing. Thank you. Indeed it is. Indeed it is. Although I wouldn't really consider myself that smart. I took the triple byte quiz, and even though I scored within like the 20 to 40th percentile, I still got a 1 on everything. So that's a little degrading. Then again, it was like a 5 in the morning. So, however, it did tell me the base salary for people with my skill level are like 133,000 a year, and I'm like, hey, Google hit me up. No, anyways, so 48 divided by the result of 2.5 plus 3.1415. It doesn't have to be exactly pi divided by 6, and that should be a result of 60. So it's between 5 and 6. So to get our value that we already had. So figuring this out, we can figure out the multiply value that we need to properly round off the x and y without, like, you know, jankifying it, or gridlock rather, not round off, gridlock. Divided by 5.5, and that should be, oh no, it would be divided by 5. It would be divided by 5 times 0.pi. Yeah, that's what it would be. Okay, so we're gonna do this again. We're gonna do 48, and it should give us around the same value that we already been dealing with. Divided by 2.5 plus 1.5 divided by the result of 5 plus no, it's, wait a minute, is that correct? I think so. Yeah, 5 plus, and then 0.31131415. There we go. Of course, you know, the rest of the value is probably pi itself. But yeah, it's around 1.6, which is the... Are you making some kind of plug-in? Kinda, Joey. And hello, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Dude, do it. It's really fun. Phony. Okay. Trust me, you will have a lot of fun doing it. And on top of that, not only is it fun, but it's challenging. Like, I have been asked questions on the quiz that of things that I didn't even know existed. A lot of it, though, seems to have to do with using React, and I've never really used React. I've always just done my own front-end stuff. But, so yeah, we do this divided by 0.6. Ah, dagnabbit. No! Hold on. Let me go back to right here. Copy. Don't copy that, Floppy. What? Okay. Alright, so this, and it was divided by pi. Well, actually, after all the rest of it. So, what we can do is find the difference of... Okay, so it was 1.6, right? So what we can do, we do this, and in theory, we can get rid of this. No, this doesn't need to be rounding. Yes, it does. Yeah, no, we still need the 48, though. In theory, this should snap the grid so that it doesn't move to any impossible pixels. I mean, it's not going to do that anyways, but like when you do the res cut, it will. And I kind of got off track. And alright, so it does look a little janky. You can see the character like stuttery like. However, the values should now be almost exact, but without having to round. So my math is off. It just needs to be the result that we divided by pi with plus 1. So, and that result was what? Right here, 0.5. So it's exactly 1.5. I think I overcomplicated the crap out of that. I should have known too, because yeah, we zoomed in double and we're compensating for... This game looks phenomenal. Thank you, Ender. Appreciate that, man. And welcome, by the way. Dude, I overcomplicated the heck out of this. Man, that was literally as easy as figuring out, well, we zoomed in by half, and then we moved the camera by, like, a half of its width, based on the center of the characters. Oh, come on. That was easily 1.5. I should have got that from the beginning. That did not require any calculating at all. That goes to show you, man. Sometimes you really can overthink things. But yeah, that will lock it safely. And now, when I actually re-enable the res cut, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to new window. Now we should be able to cut the resolution in half, and it won't look. It shouldn't look jank. Shouldn't. Keyword. Super compiler, I think it was, right? Really need to rename this thing. Code main. Scene map. What? Ignore all the errors, by the way. It's just because I haven't opened up the declaration file there. Update. And let's do this. Or we could just big brain it and then do it all here, and then it won't have to. No, because then it would look ghetto. It would be like slightly off center, and I would not like that. Considering you just fell asleep on your keyboard, maybe it's about time you sleep. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Go to sleep, dude. Hey, whatever just happened, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Neo Mixer. I almost said 1 because the explanation mark looked like a 1. But yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate the subscription. Alright, so yeah, now we got the half res thing going on. And it kind of froze because I called the wrong thing. There we go. Night Ender. Why did it bug out? Oh, I don't know. Yes, I do. I did the wrong thing again. How can I be so derp? Talk to you soon. We know how the thing we are talking about goes. Oh, I know, dude. I hope so much, Ender. I don't think I've ever hoped more in my life. There we go. And it seems to not have fixed the jank. So, we're going to try and double this value here. So, let's try 1.75. Or just 2. Let's just try 2. This should snap it a little bit better. If not, I'm just going to leave this part alone and just go on to the battle system, because that was the entire point of this stream anyways. I don't think it gave me time to compile. Yeah, I overcomplicated the jizz out of that, dude. Oh yeah, and it would have to be 2 plus the, yeah, so it'd have to be, so it'd be 3.5. Alright, this is my last attempt, then we're just going to go on to the battle system. The tactical battle system. That's a little jank. think I know what's going on too. So I might have been wrong. It could just be 2.5 because it was originally a 0.5 to begin with. Or it might have to be pretty basically exact of a value, and if that's the case, I really don't want to. It's okay, phone, and go to sleep, dude. Trust me, I know critical thinking stuff is really boring. You don't have to say like you're tired or whatever. I get it, trust me. I really do get it. Check that out. That is unintentional, but that looks kind of cool. What is going on with that, Jenkins? So if you run, it catches up. Huh. Okay, you know what? Let's try this. I love how I said like that was my last attempt, and yet here I am doing some more. Yeah, like once you get past the boring parts, though, it'll pick up. Wait, that was it, wasn't it? Almost. Wait a minute, what would be... Yeah, 0.63, right? Alright, so let's try this. Let's try... It's weird, and I don't want to, like... Dude, if I did any critical thinking... My God, I love hearing that thinking stuff. Interesting to see how skillful people work. But I got work tomorrow, so good night. Good. Thank you. Good night, Pony. Have a good sleep, and good luck tomorrow at work. And thank you for the kind words as well. I appreciate that. Yeah, I can't find that exact value. I'm trying to lock it so that when it scrolls based on the zoom value that it did, which would technically be 1.5. So this should be more. Well, this should be 1.47. If this doesn't work, then I'll just do this part off screen, and yeah, because it's gonna take a lot of like writing stuff down. I don't like writing stuff down, so usually I do everything in my head. But as I learned yesterday, thanks to Triple Byte, you don't always want to rely on that, no matter how boring things may get. Alright, yeah, so we're disabling the res cut for now. Wait a minute. Okay, let's just get rid of this entire thing here. This is actually my last attempt. I loaded the wrong file. Nope. That didn't fix it either, did it? Nope. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is get the camera to bypass the subpixels. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna, wait, did I even recompile that? But yeah, that was my last attempt though. So yeah, we're just gonna move on to the battle system. Yeah, I did compile it. Okay, yeah, we're gonna move on to the battle system. Why is this not working? Yeah, we can do it here. Console.log. Wait a minute. Is it called something different besides meta now? Undefined. True. Huh. And it looked like it was a string. It didn't parse it, but that's okay. That's But yeah, so now I decided to I decided to heavily work on you know, all of my coding things and whatnot, my ability, the things that I'm going to be learning. I'm going to be learning React now because apparently React is very important for business purposes. So it's a thing. Dagnabbit. Hit F5 instead of F4. Okay, so it's processing that. Display X, but you can't. Yeah, you can. So this.battlecam.x. So why is that? Why is it not locking? Oh, I know exactly why it's not locking. I can have it. No, wait a minute, that shouldn't do anything either. But just to be safe. Recent, super compiler. And get rid of, no, that's already called out though, so it's not that. Oh yeah, let me get rid of the resolution cutting as well before I forget. That's 3 different times that I did different ways of opening this file. Oops. Alright. Yeah. Wonder why it's not setting the display X. I mean, this normally is, you know, meant to be like a read only, but it can still be set. It's not. It is a thing that's mainly responsible for. Yeah, instead it wants to. Okay, so it's locking the X position, but not the Y. Huh. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, man. Small typos, buckos. Get rid of the what now? What? Alright, now. Now the camera should be panning to the right. Oh, oops. No, it's not, because we got rid of the move function. Oh my gosh, it panned to the right, alright. Wouldn't it be like technically divided by 96 because no. Alright. Good, we got ourselves a battle camera thing going on. this dot battle cam dot move to X, Y, and then we're gonna do speed. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a function that allows us to move the camera to a point, but it pans over at a certain speed. So how we're gonna do that is, we're gonna do this dot X plus equals the distance between, so it would be this dot X, what was it, minus, right? X minus this dot X divided by speed. Just gonna wrap all of that actually. And then we're gonna do the same thing for Y. Move 2, and then let's do like 24 by like 24. And then set the speed to onion. Now let's say we want it to pan over within 1 second. So we're gonna do 60 frames. It should like smoothly pan over to location 24 by 24, and it should look really neat while doing it. Here it goes. Yep, there it goes. It slowly pans. And let's change the location to 0 on the Y. And oh, what's the max width? Let's do 19. No, that's not it, right? Oh, duh. I'm smart. 50 by 50. So we're gonna do 50, 0. So we're gonna move to the top right corner of the map. Well, zoomed in, of course, so it's not going to be the exact top right, but yeah, and it should take exactly 1 second to reach wherever it's at to the top right corner. Here we go. And it doesn't. The X position is working. The Y position, however, is not. It was already at that, duh. It's already at 0, 0, so the Y position didn't adjust because it was already at 0. So we're going to go to the bottom right. I don't know why I derped out on that. So yeah, it's going to pan straight from the top left to the bottom right now within 1 second. No matter how far apart, it's always going to be the same speed or the same timing. Oh, yeah. Plus, because we divided it by 48, right? Okay, so this needs to be... we need to do this. We need to do X times equals 48, Y times equals 48. Okay, so instead of the 48 stuff, we're going to do game map dot tile width. Game map dot tile height. I forgot that we're using actual values and not tiles, so I need to convert that back into tiles before we... There we go. Now it's going to pan to the bottom right. Yep, in the bottom right of the map. So if we do 49, it should just be... It should show like one tile, one row tile. Yeah, this battle camera is going to be awesome, dude. This whole battle system is going to be awesome. Should be like one tile up here, but you can't see it because of the window. So, since we're doing a zoom in, we should be able to go to 25, and then that should be the actual bottom right corner. So, we got to remember to use half values. Since we're doing zoomed in, though, maybe we could just do this. But I'm not going to do that right now. Not until I make sure. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Cool. So yeah, it is, so if we do like 26, you should be able to see one row of black on the bottom and one row of black on the right. Maybe not though, because the zoom effect. Oh yeah, no. No, it wouldn't. It would be that minus the screen width. Okay, so yeah, we had it right. All right, now we're gonna make a little test actor to hone in on. And this event ID is 2. So we're gonna do this. Okay, how do I get the event data though? Is it game map dot underscore events? Yeah. Dot underscore x and dot underscore y. Okay. And this is how we're gonna zoom in on the enemy and the player and all that. And I'm gonna have to subtract the main X thing by like half of the screen size in order to center the object. So right now it's gonna zoom in on that actor, but it's gonna be at the top left corner. There they are. They're like a little bit above. So let's try this. Let's go back to the 2 thing just to see how this works real quick. Because this is technically 36 by 37. This shouldn't center it though. It should just be like off. If it does center it, I'll be really surprised. Okay, so it kind of puts it at the bottom right corner. No, not even close. Okay, so what's going on is we need to do this, and we need to do x minus equals graphics dot width divided by 2. And then y minus equals height divided by 2. Now, in theory, this should center the element. I might have to temporarily get rid of the screen zoom to figure everything out, and then like, yeah, I don't know why that's throwing me off, but like its values seem quirky and not accurate. Okay, so it does center, but it never finishes. So it is off, and then we need to do like. That's because this needs to be. All right, hold on. Let me disable the screen zoom real quick first. Let's see what this does. I think it's because like we rounded off the. No, we didn't. Yeah, we got rid of that. No, I might take the screen zoom away to be honest, anyways. And my timing is off as well. You're doing sit-ups, dude. Ah, okay. Yeah, we need to round it. So to do that, we're going to do plus 0.5 on the X and Y. I don't know why I didn't think of that. And let's go back to the screen zoom, and it should work now. My math was off as well on this for some reason. It should be divided by speed. I think it's because we're doing a no? Oh well, whatever. It doesn't have to be exact. But it should be exact. I don't know why it's not. It's really weird. Neat, there it is, it's centered. So yeah, now we selected the object in the center. Yeah, I thought it was something similar to that because I didn't. So what we're gonna do then, we're gonna do it here. We're gonna comment this as well. Create a rounded, that doesn't really create a rounded number though, but it helps. Center to object. But because of the way the math worked, it's going to do that by default. Multiply by tile size. Alright, so now that we have a way to do that, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm gonna have it shuffle between these two real quick to see how it looks. Wait a minute. Well, I'll just do a basic timer for this test. If this dot timer is less than 30, else we'll do 60. Else it focuses on event 3, and then if timer is equal to 120, timer equals 0. Oops. Alright, here we go. It should shuffle now, every 1 second between the two. Did I compile it in time or no? There we go. And as you can see, we now have a working system that hones the camera, the battle camera, in on the current actor that is moving, and it's gonna be like super dang cool, man. Looks awesome. Thank you. Appreciate that, Joey. I'm trying to think now how we want to do the grid system. I already have a height layer system idea going on. The height is going to be using regions. So we're going to have like, I'm going to probably end up replacing one of the values with jump, or just add a new value. I don't know yet. But yeah, the idea is you cannot move here at all, but this still subtracts by 1. And then also subtracts the movement value by the height. Or no, we don't need to subtract by the height. We just need to say, can the player jump this high? Okay, battle monster, and then let's do like 1. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to be replacing the, thing with like the actors here. So I think it's what, game enemies, right? Was it game truth? It's not that at all. Alright, maybe it's data. Data enemies. Yeah, data enemies. 1. already forgot the values because I'm smart. Dot graphic? No. Dot battler name. So now we need to scan through. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this dot create animated battlers. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna hide that. We don't need that right now. Scene map dot prototype dot create animated battlers. Take this function. So we're gonna do for let I of data map dot events. Wait. No. Hold on. That might be correct. Let me. Data map dot. Events, yeah. Okay, yeah, that is it. Data map dot events. I dot meta. Battle monster. Oh yeah, and there's I gotta see. Well, I guess really not. Okay, I need to find the part that. What was it called now? Game event. Okay, is the game map value different? Because if so, we can get the same thing. We can achieve this a little bit differently. Ah, here we go. This is the one we want. Alright, so what we need to do now is instead of I of, so we're going to do for let I equals 0, I is less than datamap.events.length, I plus plus. And now we're going to do if datamap.events I dot meta dot battle monster, then we're going to do let's make a select value. Let's select, and then we're going to do select equals. Hey Trico, how you doing? Okay, Trico's a little high. Sorry. Yeah, so we're gonna do select equals game map dot underscore events I. So then we're gonna do select dot battle spr equals new sprite image manager dot load enemy. No, I'm good. I'm good. We'll VC later. I really don't want to talk anything business related right now. Not while I'm streaming. I'll talk business stuff, but not while I'm streaming. This is my like relax time. Yeah, so we're gonna do load enemy, and then It is load enemy, right? I think. Then we're gonna do this dot add child select dot battle SPR. Oops, so not this dot add child. We're gonna do select dot add child. Man, you made enough to get it. Use the money that you got, dude, and get it. It's not like we're not gonna be making more. Or not like we're not gonna be making more, rather. Meta of null. Oh, yeah, we need to start with 1, that's why. Yeah, for some reason, ID 0 is reserved, and I think it's because like they wanted to stick with the 1 equals 1 and not 0 equals 1 thing. Select add child is not a function. What do you mean? Can we not do it that way? Should be doable. What are you talking about? That child's not a function. It's a sprite object. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Hot game. Diamond Turtle. Golly. What's with all my like previous viewers all of a sudden coming back? Hello, Diamond Turtle. I have missed you. Not really. I actually completely forgot you existed. But for the sake of being friendly, I've missed you. Okay, so game character base. Game character, and then the file is game character base. So how does game character base work then? I'm guessing the object that handles things are like a little bit further in. Okay, we got move speed, opacity stuff, blend mode, this stuff, set blend mode, priority type is moving, is jumping, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm guessing the character base does not hold a graphic, but game character probably does. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. Game character. So there's got to be a value here that holds its graphic. Just came back. Forget all the calculus stuff you'll be doing. I know. I don't know what happened to Devin. Find direction to. Oh yeah, we could use that as well. Use the pathfinding, that they have built in. Also, I didn't know the game map has a built-in distance function. That's kind of cool. Does it not? Okay. Okay, refresh. Event members, yeah. Event ID, event, page, list, collide with characters, blah blah blah. Yeah, but what part controls the dang graphic? Why are you guys so freaking vague with this? Freaking A. takes like forever to find a simple thing, and it's not really documented very well, but that's alright. It's not an issue because it actually helps train me because, yeah, refresh, just if you did, if I didn't, nope, it's not it. Yeah, this is all conditional stuff, this is all page stuff, it's not anywhere near, where's the graphic? Are you kidding me? Where is the stupid graphic? Why? Why is it so difficult to have a document? Oh, by the way, Trico, check this out. You go to the API documentation, you get a 404. This is really annoying. I'm gonna have to message them about that and see if I can't like get them to fix that because, yeah. RIP 404. I'm curious as to how you made the windows show up in the upper left side. Okay, so Video Wizard, how I did that, I didn't know him personally, no. Anyway, how I did that, we have a, right here, it's a battle status window. We did class, and we extended it to window base. We're doing a refresh, and we're gonna say if this.actor, and then we're gonna draw the information right here. You can take a screenshot if you want, and the table, I created like a little table system. So yeah, this is the code. If you wanted to screenshot it, you could study it. Video Wizard. And then you just got to add that to the main thing. But if you don't know how to create windows at all, then I really recommend learning a little bit about like scripting before you try copying that, because it's going to give you massive headaches if not. I've been meaning to do videos on, you know, scripting, but I can't make it interesting, dude. Like, I try, and, I don't know. When I'm editing it, I'm watching back, and I'm like, holy crap, this is kind of boring. Like, why nobody's gonna watch this? I don't know. Coding is, like, really hard to get into for some people, but I like it, but I can't be as enthusiastic for some reason. I don't know. It's just super strange. Okay. Okay. So try installing Python on your laptop and it ended up installing C++ accidentally. You don't like VS Code? Used to be able to install Python so easy on now. How did you accidentally install C++? That you should already have default. Like, what? Diamond, I feel bad. Like, that has to like really suck because I have no earthly idea what went on, what cosmic events were at play there, but that sounds really confusing. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have to find the graphic thing myself. Definitely not any of those. Yeah, so it's not in this at all. It's not in the game character at all. Alright, so I gotta find sprite set map. I think it's in core now, if I recall. No, it's not. Manage. Oh, excuse me. So wait, it's not in any of these? Does sprite set map not exist anymore, or? Oh, so it's in. Oh, I thought it had sprites open. I guess it didn't. events. This dot character sprites dot push sprite character event. So in theory, we should be able to do this. Should be able to. Wait, scene manager dot scene dot tile map dot. Have any of the values here changed? The sprite set, that's what it was. Okay, yeah, here's what we're gonna do. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna yawn. No, it wasn't composed by me. The title screen was composed by Shad, and the rest of it is from DLC. Perfect 8-bit collection. Your both IDs installed and something happened to default and disable. Huh? That's weird though. Dot push, right? No, it needs to be. Alright, and this should be a workaround, but at the same time, when you delete an actual event, does it update the. Well, we're gonna find out. Crash? Nope. Alright, so. Let's try this. Let's do this. We'll do this like a little bit different. We'll start to add child. Yeah, we'll just create it on the sprite set layer and then just tie the sprite to that event. Alright, just for testing, we're gonna do new bitmap 34, 34, 32, whatever. We don't even need bitmap.fill rect 00 32 32. We're gonna do and then we're gonna do select.z equals 3. And it should be above the character. Oh, you know what? It's not going to be anywhere. It's going to be at the top left. So we're going to do select.x is equal to game map.events i.x times 48 for now, I think. Heck nabbit. Hold on, let me. Thank you. It does. That's really good music. Come on. Alright. Game map dot actors. Wait, events. One. Dot underscore x, yeah. For now, we're just going to do x and y times 48, and if it does work, then we'll... It beats having to add the sprite as a child of the original thing, even though that would be nice because like we can move the event better that way, but it doesn't matter too much. Okay, what's happening? Did I load it before it compiled or something, or? Okay, hold on now. All right, well, we need to do this. We need to do this in a different way. We need to I need like free control over the camera. So I'm going to get rid of this entirely for now, the X and Y positioning. No, we don't need no free control. Let's just do this. So now it should be all at the top left corner. We should be able to see everything. No, we're not actually, because this needs to be negative like 12. I know, right? There's always some like crackhead that goes around thinking, I don't know, like maybe it's some mental illness actually. Like you feel, oh yeah, this needs to be I can have it. I don't know, it's like it makes you wonder, man, like what is wrong with people? Oh, then again, it's not, yeah, because of the zoom in, so this should be good. We should be able to see the top heading top of that. Also, heads up. Blowing the nose, hold on. Okay. Why can I not get the math correct? I don't know, but I got a rubber toe. Stop. All right, let's get rid of the zoom out real quick. I can have it. So I'm gonna get rid of the zoom out, and I'm also going to get rid of the the battle stat window real quick. Okay, so the sprite is definitely not there. It is. I mean, it's there, but it's not going to where it needs to be. Oh, you know what? It's because I didn't account for the battle camera. Or the, freaking... So, select.x equal to... Dagnabbit, is equal to game map dot underscore events I dot x times game map dot tile width. Same thing for the y, except tile height. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do SX and SY. And you know what? We'll do it this way. For let I of this dot enemies. This dot battle actors equals array. push select. Alright, so now should be this dot select. Select dot x is equal I dot x is equal to I dot sx minus game map dot display x, and then we're just gonna take this entire times map dot tile width. So now it's always going to be linked to the well, heck, we can do it this way. Yeah, we can do it this way. Yeah, we don't need to do all this. We can just do this. Nope, no we can't. We gotta link the event that way. Alright, so what we'll do, select dot EID equals I. Yeah, so now we can do this. We don't need to have an initial X and Y anymore. Now the white square should be over the one blue-haired chick. And after it's a white square, we'll make it an enemy. The length of undefined. I mean, how is datamap.events undefined? Oh, this dot select. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Why did I even? What? What is wrong with me? I think that means it's time to take a break. Real quick. Actually, no, I'll ask this in a video. How you guys feel about silent streams, like, where literally I'm just coding? And, what even is happening right now with the camera? Yeah, like where I'm just coding and not talking, because like I'm able to focus a lot more that way, but I don't know if you guys would find that entertaining or not. And I don't want to bore everybody to death. Yeah, so the white square is there now, but at the same time, the camera isn't working. Why? Why is the battlecam.move2 not working all of a sudden? What? Oh. Why? How did I derp that hard? Also, burp. There we go. Okay, so yeah, now we have the event right there. Now we're gonna change it into, we're gonna set it so that it's the same layer. I'm just gonna do like -1 plus. So it should appear behind, but it's just to be on like the same graphic layer. I'm gonna have her move at random to see if it locks. It should lock. This is a little bit. I mean, it's definitely going out of the way as far as. Yeah, okay, good. It does lock, but it locks in a way that I don't like. Alright, yeah, I'll figure that out off screen at some point. But for now, thank you guys so very much for watching this stream, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.